Would you like this to be your classroom? If you have ever thought of bringing the classroom into the world rather than the world into your classroom, this program is for you. Asia provides an excellent venue for experiential learning from a variety of disciplines, from development studies to engineering to business. But experiential learning can be done effectively only by faculty who have themselves experienced transformative immersions. This faculty development seminar is unique in that it gives faculty a chance to experience what students do when they participate in study abroad programs. Through this lens, faculty can create impactful and innovative courses that students will remember for a lifetime. Using India as a case study, faculty will focus on identifying innovative ways in which experiential learning can be structured in the Asian context while designing courses. This program is designed to enhance the ability to align course content, critical reflection, and assessment in experiential learning. During the program, faculty will design and present a course based on their experiences. Another feature of this program is being able to gain valuable peer learning, as faculty from various disciplines and countries would travel and learn together. The facilitators for this program have been carefully selected to provide a mix of academicians and practitioners with global and local experience. The highlights of this program are Mumbai, where faculty would interact with business leaders, as well as exceptional entrepreneurs in one of Asia's largest slums, Dharavi. Another highlight is Dahanu, a beautiful coastal town from where we embark on village visits experiencing local art and culture. We end in Delhi, where one can enjoy a rickshaw or bike expedition through Old Delhi, a visit to an elephant rescue center, and to Taj Mahal. Authentica is an experiential learning company that designs and delivers short-term study abroad programs in 16 countries across Asia. We have delivered over 70 programs for over 2,000 participants since 2013, and we are known for prioritizing safety and the comfort of our participants. Our mission is to enrich lives, one person, one community, and one amazing learning experience at a time. Join us to be part of this immersive experience.